Hello everyone, this is Hart from QuickWorks, and in this video I will be presenting the ordering solution that we have. So this ordering solution can be used for multiple purposes, like for food ordering, pharmacy ordering, grocery, flowers, anything, or even for the e-commerce. So in this platform we will be providing you the admin panel for the owner of the business, using which he can manage everything. Second will be the merchant panel, using which merchants can onboard the items with their pricing. Third will be the customer applications, both Android and iOS, and a customer website, using which customer can surf around and place an order. So starting with the admin panel, as you can see on my screen, this is the dashboard of the admin panel, where you can see the basic information like how many users are there on the platform, number of stores, total orders, new orders added today, and all the basic information that admin will require from the dashboard. Next will be the heat map, using which the admin can analyze like from which location he is receiving most of the orders. Then you can see recent 15 orders and their statuses and how much money they have collected from those orders. You can see a graphical representation of cash revenue and online revenue that you have received using this platform. You can see revenue by category to analyze like from which category you are receiving most of the revenue and from which category you are receiving least revenue, so that you can take corrective actions. You can also see a monthly report where you can see how many users and orders have been added in a single month. Next is user section, where you can see a complete list of users with their basic details like name, contact number, how much money they have spent till now, how many orders they have placed till now, and what are their different statuses. If there is any customer creating any kind of indiscipline, you can simply block them. And if you want to manually add a new user, you have an option for that as well. If you want to download it into a CSV file, you can simply click on this button. If you want to change the format of the list, you can click on this button. If you want to filter out like how many users have been added in the last 30 days, or how many users are there who haven't placed any order till now, you can do that from here. If you want to search any user by name, phone number, or email ID, you can do it from here. Next is order section. In order section, you can see all the orders that you have received till now, and you can filter them out on the basis of the statuses like pending, accepted, ongoing, cancelled, completed, scheduled, and reoccurring. So scheduled orders are those orders which are placed by the customer for a specific time. Reoccurring orders are those orders which a customer places for repetitive or delivery. So those orders can be placed in reoccurring section. As an admin, you can filter that data on the basis of count. You can search any order by entering the order ID over here. You can filter out the orders by the store name, by the user, and you can also select a date range. As an admin, if you want to create any order on behalf of any customer, you can do it from here. You just need to simply add first name, last name, email ID, contact number, and top of address. And you can select the merchant from which you want to place an order, and you can simply select the product and variant and simply place an order from here. Next is merchant types. So in this platform, we provide 3 levels of categories, and merchant types are at the top. After that, we have categories and subcategories of the platform, which can be added from here. If you want to download such data, you can download by clicking on this button. Next is brand management. So in brand management, basically you can segregate different products of different brands that you have on the platform. Over here, you can create a brand and enter the image over here, and under these brands multiple products can be added. These list of brands can be displayed on the customer application and the website, using which if there is any customer loyal to any specific brand, he can simply click on the brand and will be able to see all the products that you have on the platform for the same brand. Next is manage merchants. So in Manage Merchants, you can see the complete list of merchants that you have onboarded on the platform. And there are two ways to add a merchant. Either you can manually add a merchant by filling out the basic details like name, owner name, description, email ID, password, phone number, emergency contact number, and merchant type, and so on. Next will be the delivery details, where you will be entering the address. It can be Mohali. After selecting the address, you can select the geofence area from which you want this merchant to receive an order. So after selecting a geofence area, customers within this range can only place order from this merchant. All the customers outside of this area will not be able to see this merchant on your platform or place order through this platform. Next is bank section, where you will be collecting the bank details of the merchant so that you can settle the payments in their bank accounts easily. Next, you will be receiving the operating hours in which they are operating so that they will not receive orders when they are not working. Next, we have manage inventory section, manage product section, manage categories. As an admin, you can do that, but it is a job of a merchant that they can simply do it from their merchant panel. Next will be the payment section. Over here, you can see the complete list of merchants and you can see the amount you are supposed to pay. There is a pay button available for an admin so that he can settle such payments by just clicking this button. Next is coupon section. Over here, as an admin, you can create multiple promo codes for your customers so that they can avail some discounts. So promo codes can be created by entering a title, the code, which customer is supposed to enter to avail the discount. Select discount type. Either it can be flat or percentage. If it is a percentage discount, you can set the maximum limit. For example, there is a 60% discount up to 100 rupees on minimum order value of 500 rupees. You can also set per day limit, like this promo code can be used twice a day. You can set total use limit, like this promo code can be used 100 times in total. After that, it will be expired automatically. You can select a date range, like it is valid from 1st to 31st. You can select the merchant on which products you want to apply the promo code. You can select the products from here, and that's how you can create a promo code. Next is deal section. So deals are basically the banners of the platform which are displayed on the customer applications and website at the top. These banners are usually clickable, and these banners are denoting some kind of deals or discounts that you are offering through those banner images. So you can simply create a banner or simply create a deal by entering the name, select the discount type that you want to offer to the customer, enter the percentage, description, select the products. It will be created just how you created the coupons earlier. So next is sales report section. Over here, you can see how much money you have received through online modes, how much money you have received in cash form. You can see per order revenue, per product revenue, like which product was ordered, how many times, and how much money was collected. You can see per category revenue, per subcategory revenue, merchant-wise revenue, like from which merchant how much money was collected. And if you want to export such data, you can click on this button and simply download this data into CSV file. Next is notification section. In notification section, basically you can send push notifications to your customers or to your merchants. It can be regarding anything. It can be like you are wishing Happy New Year to your customers or merchants. It can be related to any upgrade in terms and condition. You just need to enter the title over here, enter the message, and select the list, and simply send notification to your customers. Next is sub-admin section. So as an admin, as a owner of your business, you can delegate your authority to your employees who will be handling different brands on your behalf. Like there you can be providing access to payments to a certain to your finance department, so that they can be settling such payments to the merchant's bank account from by accessing payment section. Next is sub-admin section. So in sub-admin section, you can basically delegate your authority to your employees. So basically, for example, you have hired a finance person who will be handling the payments that you will be settling with the merchants. You can provide such access to that sub-admin or to that employee. Next is customer support section. So in customer support section, basically you can see the complaints that you have received from the customer side regarding any order they have placed till now. And as an admin, you will be able to see the basic reason and a brief description why the customer has placed a complaint. And as an admin, you can take corrective action and update the status from here. Next is CMS pages. So CMS pages are content management system of the platform. From here you can manage the content pages like privacy policy, terms and condition, customer privacy policy, about us page, and so on. As soon as an admin you will update the content from here, it will be updated to the customer application, and he can view it from there. So this is all about the admin panel, and I hope it is very much clear to you. In case of any queries, you can simply write down the comments and I will be happy to help.